Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is jabber. It's pronounced ja-ber, and it is spelt J-A-B-B-E-R. Think jab and then Jabber means to talk rapidly and excitedly, but with little sense. For example, you could say she jabbered away to her friends. Jabber comes from the 1500s and is a copy of the word gibber with a G. Gibber means to speak rapidly and unintelligibly, the same as the word jabber. Have you heard of the word gibber before? Perhaps you have heard the word gibberish before. This word also comes from the word gibber, meaning unintelligible or meaningless, often referring to speech or writing. In Lewis Carroll's novel, Alice Through the Looking Glass, there is a poem called The Jabberwocky, about a terrifying creature called, you guessed it, the Jabberwocky. The creature is described as having jaws that bite, claws that catch, and eyes of flame. However, as the name suggests, that poem is full of jabber and is famous for being a nonsensical poem. Jabber can be both a noun and a verb. For example, you could say, stop jabbering, and use it as a noun, or the baby jabbered happily, which uses it as a verb. Jabber is defined in the dictionary as to speak or say something quickly in a way that is difficult to understand. Jabber's synonyms include prattle, babble, chatter, twitter, prate, gabble, go on, run on, rattle on, away, yap, jibber jabber, and ramble. Antonyms include be quiet, conceal, hide, clarity, silence, and succinct. See if you can notice anyone jabbering today. It could be someone telling a story with too much detail or just a sibling talking happily to themselves. Either way, impress your friends and family by using your new word, jabber. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.